the big thing about this fight is that Lyoto Machida will be fighting Mark Munoz, and the big thing is that Machida will be fighting at middleweight. He's made the cut to middleweight. And this tells you what's happening, man. Now it's like, now you got Anderson Silva's boy fighting in the same class. Anderson Silva no longer has the title. You know, Machida is down in the same class. You could see that potentially they could be, it's just crazy now how deep these middleweights and welterweight classes are getting. And, what do you think about this? I
don't think Mark Munoz stands a chance. And the reason I say that is because the last fight we had Machida fighting at 205, he fought Phil Davis, who is 2 inches taller than Mark Munoz, and his reach was 8 inches longer. Mark Munoz's whole thing is predicated on takedowns. How is he going to get anywhere near Lyoto Machida in the style he fights to take him down?
Yeah,
he's going to cut weight to 185, but what do you think he's going to weigh when he walks into that cage? He's going to be up around 200, 205.
Oh, yeah, and people forget how tall Machida is. I mean, Machida's a tall guy. And Mark Munoz, I mean, he got hit before. Now you're looking at a guy that fights so unorthodox and stuff. And Machida has done very well against good wrestlers. Davis, he did very well against John Jones.
Davis took Machida down, but did absolutely nothing with the takedowns, which is what I see here. If Munoz does land the takedowns, I don't think he's going to be strong enough to hold this guy down. Because he was big at 205, and now he's cutting to 185. I just. He could literally walk in the octagon over 200 pounds. Oh, easy.
Yeah.
Easy.
So I'm going with Machida.
I am too, and I think it's going to be Machida early, unless he does some crazy, unless he gets too cautious of Munoz, because Munoz does have power. And he could catch Machida, but Machida is so quick and so fast and in and out and back and left and right and foot. He's tough to catch, and I think Munoz might get tired chasing this motherfucker around the ring and then get kicked upside of his head and be snoring.
I'm telling you, man. I mean, I always think about how he put that shit together on Rashad Evans that time. Another great wrestler.
Oh, and that's Randy Couture.
Yeah, yeah. He just is. I think Machida is one of the most underestimated fighters in the UFC.
And I think I think people take stuff away from him because of the style he fights. He's not a very engaging fighter. He's a very hit and run kind of guy, and I don't think he gets enough credit for the style that he uses. Right. Yeah, I agree with you. Now, guys, we're going to wrap it up for MMA action down here on the comment board below. Yeah, please tell us how we don't know shit. You guys are really good at telling us how we don't know shit. So chime in. Let us know. Yeah, tell us some shit that, we're already aware that we don't know shit. Meanwhile, the people that tell us that we don't know shit are the most just fucked up individuals. Right, they're all over the place. Worthless comments. Sorry, Ben.
Right.